Now we are going to learn expression de la consequence, the expression of the consequence. Before this, we learned to express the cause. When expressing the cause, the word we used was because, parce que. Here, the word we are using is c'est pourquoi. C'est pourquoi. That is why. That is why. C'est pourquoi. And another two words are alors, it means so, and donc, it means therefore. So, shall we see its use in a sentence? Papa a raté la train. Papa has missed the train. C'est pourquoi, that is why. C'est pourquoi. So, we said that he has missed the train, the action. That is why. This is the consequence. Because of this is happening. So, this is the consequence. C'est pourquoi il a pris un taxi. That is why he has taken a taxi. So, the word we use here is c'est pourquoi. It is why. If you only use pourquoi, you can form a sentence. Why? Pourquoi? For example, why are you late? Why are you late? En retard. Pourquoi es-tu en retard? Why are you late? So, when you are giving a reason, when you are explaining the consequence, you would say c'est pourquoi. C'est pourquoi il a pris un taxi. And the next sentence, il y a une grève. There was a strike. Il y a une grève. Alors, so, il ne va pas à l'école. There is a strike, so he didn't go to school. So, we are explaining the reason. So, we will say alors. Alors. So, these are some expressions that you can use while talking. So, I hope you have understood these words. These words are the expression of the consequence. Before this, we learned expression of the cause. So, kindly remember these words. When you are trying to form sentences, these words will be very helpful to you. We have come a long way in learning this new language, French. It is a very beautiful language, isn't it? I hope you all enjoyed the classes and I hope it was useful to you. France is a very beautiful country and the national language there is French. Most of the people speak French. So if you decide to visit France, now you know how to speak basic French. So it is always useful to learn a new language, and French, as you all know, is a very sweet language. So I hope you enjoyed and kindly share this with your friends and family. It will be very useful for everyone. Thank you for listening. Merci, and kindly like, share and subscribe for Pebbles channel.